What's up everyone, D-Man here. Today I'm going to share with you what am I carrying, what's in my pockets. Well, let's see. Right pocket here is a lighter. As you can see from the bottom of here, it's not a Zippo. Made in Japan by Katsar. That's right, this thing is old school vintage, but the cool thing about it is that I have a Zippo insert. So shout out to that, right? Awesome little unit. Picked it up at a yard sale many years ago and did the little swap. So that's the first item. Second, also my right pocket, my handmade beard comb. I believe I started making these, I don't know, maybe 2015. So this one is from that era. As you can see, this one's steel. All handmade, all hand cut. Very hard to zoom because of the comb. So let's see if I can zoom in. There we go. ABS hard plastic. Just a nice overall little unit. So that's the second item that I'm rocking out with. Thirdly, wallet. This time I'm going with a genuine cowhide leather wallet. Not going to open it because you know why. Here's another item you've already seen. Galaxy. Actually, is it a Galaxy? Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So I'll put that up that way. You already know all about those phones. Let me fix this up here. Oh yeah. Let me finish this quick because my battery is about to die. Only 3 more items. Other than my keys. My keys are over there. I don't want to include it, but you've seen my previous videos. Car keys, house keys, you know how that goes. Alright, around my neck. Check this out. Here's another little unit that I made a while back. Made / converted. As you can see, I put a Kydex sheath around an X-Acto blade. I cut it, rounded off the edge, and then what I did, if you can zoom, and it's about time I zoomed. It took me a little while. As you can see, I etched it, acid etched it, and I modified the blade. And the blade has a little bit of character as well that I included into it. So it can look, you know, have a little bit of character to it. Anyways, that is around my neck for today. Alright, I had to restart this video. Battery died. First time that ever happened to me. Next item, like I was saying, but now it's your first time seeing, is my handmade Skeletor #2 folding knife. Made the prototype back in 2013. This one features a recycled file. As you can see, nice and scented. This thing is very smooth. Very solid lockup on this thing. No play whatsoever. Side to side. The lock itself. Hey, shout out to the text. And shout out to this camera now, zooming proper. It's a nice camera, but man, I'm having a hard time with the zooming. Anyways, I'm rambling. So we have here titanium, high carbon steel, stainless steel standoffs, G10 spacer, onto a V. There's actually character into that. Inside. Yeah, it was a lot of work, but I had fun. But yeah, a lot of people have been wanting to buy this thing, but I'm not ready to give it up actually. But maybe one day, if somebody asks me politely. Okay, that's that. And then finally, of course, it's just my firearm. Again, I've got the Smith & Wesson. That's what I'm rocking out with for today. Along with a Hornady. Oh yeah. Oh, anyways, thanks for coming in, checking out this quick EDC dump. You guys and gals have a good one. Thanks for coming in. Till the next one. Before you leave, I want to give a shout out to all my new subs. Another special shout out to my old subs, especially the DMKusa crew. You know who you are. Another special shout out to everyone rocking out with me over at Instagram. That's where I'm at, full time at Full Throttle. Oh, I almost forgot. Another special shout out to all the woodpeckers and the plugs out there. You know who you are as well. Thanks again coming in, checking out this quick EDC pocket dump. You guys and gals have a good one. Cheers.